Hardly hard. Mastering the adverb of degree. Hardly. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're going to delve into the world of adverbs of degree, focusing specifically on one that can be a bit tricky at times, hardly. We'll learn how to use it correctly, what it means, and see it in context to help solidify your understanding. The adverb, hardly, typically means almost not, or barely. Despite the presence of hard in the word, hardly isn't about difficulty. It's used to express a small degree or minimal effort. Let's consider an example. She hardly knows him. She knows him, but only just a little. Unlike some other adverbs, hardly usually comes before the verb it is modifying. Look at these examples. He hardly sleeps. He doesn't sleep much. I can hardly wait. I can wait, but it's extremely difficult because I'm so excited. Sometimes, hardly can give a sentence a negative connotation, especially when used with words expressing positive conditions. Here's an example. She hardly smiled during the party. It suggests that she did not enjoy the party. One more interesting usage of hardly is in inverted sentences. When a sentence begins with hardly, the subject and the auxiliary verb invert their usual order, similar to question structure. For instance, hardly had I walked in the door when the phone rang. I had just walked in the door and immediately, the phone rang. So there you have it. The adverb, hardly, is now hopefully a little less hard for you. Remember, it means almost not, and it's usually placed before the verb it modifies. Be mindful of its negative connotations in certain contexts and don't forget about its special role in inverted sentences. Keep practicing and you'll hardly find it challenging anymore. Keep learning, and until next time, happy studying.